What up, guys? If you're watching this video, I believe you're looking for the best coding interview preparation course. There are a lot of options like Interview Kickstart, Outgo, Interview, Algo Expert, Algo Pro, S30, Interview Prep course. There are a lot of options out there. But if I recommend anything to you, it would be Tech Interview Pro. There's a short what in case you don't know what Tech Interview Pro is. Tech Interview Pro is a proven program created by an ex Google and Facebook engineer tech lead called which his real name is Patrick Shu. The course is designed to help software engineers ace their coding interviews and land high paying jobs. So let's quickly go over the course. However, Tech Interview Pro is currently offering a 40% discount on the course. So I'll drop the link to the discount in the description below. So if you use the link, you can get 40 to 15% off depending on the time that you click on the link. So that's that about that. So Tech Interview Pro is an interview training with ex Google and ex Facebook software engineer. So there's a lot that is being offered in this course. So if you want to get a brief info of this course, you can watch this 7-minute video. It will tell you everything that you need to know about the course. As you can see, the founder of this course, Tech Lead, it took him 10 years of trial and error to understand how to pass a coding interview, and he has actually worked for some of the top tech companies. He has worked for Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and a few more others. So let's quickly go over the content of the course itself. As you can see, there are over 150 episodes videos showing you how to pass coding interview and exactly what to do. So this is the breakdown of everything in the video. I think the first module is the interview process, where you learn how to structure your resume, how to ace the telephone screening, what you should expect during your on-site interview, and the psychology of non-technical versus technical interviewers. If not for this course, you wouldn't have known that there are two type of interviewers: the non-technical and versus the non-technical interviewers. The next module in this course is the four component of the interview, where it introduces systems design, coding, data structures and algorithm, and communication. I think communication is being underrated a lot in coding interview, and you will understand why you need to be a good communicator. So the next module is the interview masterclass. These are what you will learn in interview masterclass: what makes big tech companies interview stuff and all other things. And there's another module for data structures and algorithm. These are all the topics that you will learn in this module. And this module, 100 plus coding sessions. This is a course on its own, but Tech Lead introduced it, added it to Tech Interview Pro for free. These are everything that you learn, and you watch him solve 100 coding questions in live. Like, you can learn from him solving it, and he will explain some things to you that will be helpful. And there's a mock interview, which means after the course, after you finish the course, Tech Lead will conduct a mock interview with you. Since he has conducted over 100 interviews on Google, I think it's been mentioned here. Okay, it's not mentioned here. Yeah, he has conducted over 100 interviews at Google, so he knows what the you need to say and how you pass your coding interview. That's the function of the mock interview. So there's a whole module designed for systems design. These are all the topics that you will learn in this module. So this module is one of the most interesting one to me: transitioning career. So this module will prepare you for, in case you want to move from one company to another, or you want to move from one position to another within your present company. This is very important because there are some things you need to get right, and this is why this whole lesson is there. And the last module is negotiating your offer. So after passing your coding interview, you need to talk about your salary, and this module is dedicated to telling you everything you need to know about negotiating your offer, so that you get paid what you deserve. And going back to the program features, the cost, like I said, there's currently a 40% discount going on, and I'll drop the link to the discount in the description below. So apart from the online course itself, there's a bi-weekly Q&A sections that happens, where you can get to ask Techlin himself some questions about interviews, and he would answer them This happens every week. There's also a private Facebook group, which is one of my favorite, because you get to meet a lot of like-minded engineers like yours, and you get to share ideas, and you can even get job recommendations from them. And these coding sessions, I believe I've mentioned it before, is a whole course on its own that is being included. So another thing I forgot to mention is the resume review. So when it's about time you want to apply for a job, a tech lead will review your resume to show you some things to improve, so that you can stand out from other candidates. And again, the course is a living course. Tech lead keeps updating the course every time. So this is a breakdown of everything included in the course. You can click the link in the description below to see it yourself. This is the instructor. Tech lead is an ex-Google, ex-Facebook tech lead, app entrepreneur, digital nomad, Silicon Valley native, and senior software engineer. You can read more about him if you want. Like you see here, it took him over 10 years of trial and error to understand the interview process until he finally got into Google. And after then, he has gotten into Microsoft, Apple, and all of those big tech companies, because he has understood how to pass the coding interview. And finally, here are some success stories for people who have checked out this course. So if you want an in-depth review of Tech Interview Pro, I'll drop the link in the description below also, and I'll also drop the link to the 40% discount that I said in the description below. Thank you guys, wishing you the very best of luck.